Malaysia, a Southeast Asian country, is known for its diverse ecosystems ranging from tropical rainforests to coral reefs, making it an excellent destination for ecotourism. Are you ready to exploring the untouched beauty of Taman Negara Pahang's rainforest in Malaysia? Taman Negara Pahang, located in Malaysia, is one of the oldest rainforests in the world, spanning over 4,343 square kilometers. Join us as we venture deep into this magnificent wilderness, where nature thrives in its purest form. In this video, we will showcase the breathtaking landscapes, diverse wildlife, and vibrant flora that make Taman Negara Pahang a true paradise for nature enthusiasts. Get ready to be mesmerized by the towering trees, crystal clear rivers, and cascading waterfalls that create a symphony of natural wonders. Our experienced guides will lead us through thrilling jungle treks, revealing hidden trails and secret spots that only a few have ever laid eyes on. Throughout our journey, we will also learn about the conservation efforts undertaken to protect this precious ecosystem. Discover how locals and organizations work together to preserve this UNESCO World Heritage Site for future generations. Whether you are an avid nature lover, adventure seeker, or simply looking for a virtual escape into the wild, this video will transport you to the heart of Taman Negara Pahang's rainforest. As the day draws to a close, immerse yourself in the island's vibrant nightlife. Sample delicious local cuisine at beachside restaurants, savoring the flavors of Malaysia. Engage in lively conversations with fellow travelers, sharing stories and creating memories that will last a lifetime. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more awe-inspiring travel content. Let's embark on this adventure together and let the wonders of Taman Negara Pahang's rainforests unfold before our eyes.